LPU ngayon tumatakbo. Side step. Move is good for Simon Peñafiel. LPU running. John Barba against Asoro. Good move there in the first quarter. Guadaña against Tuanyo. Driving right. Driving strong. Kicks it out to John Barba. Thought of the three. One-hander. Uses the bank on the Saturday afternoon. That's just teaching moments here.
100%.
Sean Tuanyo getting out from that tight LPU defense to make it a 5-point game. 7-2. John Barba libre sa kanan.
John Barba.
Rebound. 10 seconds para sa mga pirata ng Intramuros to operate. Guadaña. Second 3-point shot attempt is good. Well, there you go.
CJ Latima.
Para sa Ateneo, Bongko. Nieto lines up for a 3. Still no good from way beyond for Ateneo. LPU ngayon tumatakbo. Side step. Move is good for Simon Peñafiel to up his lead. Sa Ateneo de Manila. Gomez Del Llano being bothered by Lion Palingayan. Asoro. No foul call there. Christian Porter. Nieto creating now for Ateneo. Bongko. 10 seconds now for Ateneo. That is first quarter. Alatica. Lopez. 10 seconds. Daileg. Alatica. Mid-range. Wala. Ateneo. Maubusan sila ng oras and that will be it.
Tab is really trying to figure out whether or not the players he's putting on the floor are going to be able to execute what he wants. And he's willing to put multiple combinations in to give them all experience. And now as a UAP champion at De La Salle.
See how LPU runs their plays as we see here. LPU making those extra passes.
Well, they're really trying to find a good shot. They're letting the offense work for them instead of trying to force the action. And the ball's finding, coach sprints. But all of that aside, you're really looking at two teams that have differing styles and play a certain way that they believe is good basketball.
Gotta laud this LPU team. They're playing with much fluidity as Mason Amos drains back-to-back 23 with 5 minutes 19 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Lion Palingayan against Ian Espinosa. Buttered. Ian Espinosa completes the steal. Espinosa still driving strong, using the last to make it an 8 points remaining in the second quarter. Lion Palingayan gives it to Jetro Reyes.
Coach Tab has opted to go to man-to-man defensively, and it's paying some dividends. They're able to put more pressure and locate the shooters and be able to box out to get rebounds.
Tao sa tao ginagawa ngayon ng depensa ng Ateneo, din paying dividends. John Ketevis making that basket. Awa ang bola sa pagkakataong ngayon. Kyle Ong, sloppy pass, but Ketevis to shoot for Ateneo. Ian Espinosa, does he know it? Espinosa, running jumper, in and out. Tuanyo, offensive rebound, can shoot. Mason Amos goes to his left, and that will be good. He loses this.
Then against the dribble penetration and locating shooters and contesting three-point shots.
Amos lining up for three, and that will be good.
Amos for three. Andrew Pablo for three.
Defense of Ateneo better this third quarter. Guadagna lines up 4 and 3. Two gray shirts sinasalubong. Kitevis kicks it out to Tuanyo. 3-point shot for Ateneo. Mason Amos. Kaya pala kanina siniswerte sa 3 points itong si Sean Tuanyo is getting lucky from way beyond because today is his birthday.
Well, happy birthday, big guy. LPU has now themselves moved into a 1-2-2 zone, trying to prevent that middle penetration.
John Barba drives on the baseline, kicks it out. Guadagna steps back. Good on that mid-range shot. Alatica. Hot 3. John Barba steps back. And that's good for John Barba. Balik kay Tuanyo against Montaño. Tuanyo goes to his left. Lebron Nieto, long jumper is good to bail his team out. 6 seconds remaining in the quarter. Aviles, Kitevis looks at the clock, throws up a prayer, and that will be it. Layup no good. Aviles blocked from behind by Mason Amos. Forward pass to Asoro using his left hand to finish. The leg against Kyle Ong. Moralejo. That's Gael Montaño rather. Kyle Ong naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Mamos hopping out. Gives it to Gomez Deliano. Good pass to Asoro inside. Kyle Ong has the height, but he must bulk up. That's what I noticed with him, to more or less battle it out with the bigs in the big league. Corner 3 for LPU, that will be good. LPU umaatake ngayon, 7 minutes 10 seconds remaining. John Barba, 3-point shot para kunin ng Kalamangan ng 2 puntos. Kitevis down low. Driving. That's a broken play. Bonko uses the left. No good. LPU ngayon may tangan ng bola. John Barba. Masyadong malakas. But there will be a foul. And basket's good for Simon Peñafiel. 5 minutes 36 seconds remaining. Still have a ball game here. Only 5-point lead for LPU. Espinosa. Tuanyo, corner 3, it's good. Lopez creating now for LPU. John Barba against Tuanyo. Alatica inside, fakes, and that will be good for CJ Alatica. Take back the lead, 65-63 for LPU. Let's see what Ateneo will reply in this possession. Mason Amos blocked from behind on that possession. 4 minutes 3 seconds remaining. Lopez against Ian Espinosa. John Barba, give and go. 3-point shot. Too strong. Offensive rebound ni Lopez. Jordan Lopez having a nose on that ball, coach.
He is a very pesky, energetic, and wiry kind of player. He's all over the place.
4 na puntos na kalamangan hawak-hawak ngayon ng LPU Pirates. 3 minutes, 30 seconds remaining. Bonko, corner 3 is good.
Yeah, you pick your poison there, Coach Chris. You got to make sure that ball is getting into the paint. They had to give up the 3.
Sinasabi kanina ni Coach Russell, kanina pa dito sa ating coverage, the battle of patience between the players and coaches of both squads. Getting the ball at the right spot, getting the shots that you desire. Alatica fades away, block, but there was a foul, sabi ng Maclod Guadagna faking against Kitevis. Nakarami ng 3 points na to si Guadagna, and he will hit the straight away jumper for LP.
Yeah, you know, and on the reverse end of that, they have the services of Sean Kitevis back, and obviously LeBron Nieto. So this is an opportunity for these guys to step on the floor, get some game experiences with their new teammates.
Short on that try, Ian Espinosa from way beyond. LPU milking the clock now. Lopez, 46 seconds. We have a 5-point lead. Kitevis harassing Lopez. 11 seconds to shoot. Alatica against Christian Porter. Goes to his left. Nice crossover move. Anything but the basket. Kitevis off to Asoro on that fast break attack. Let's see what LPU will do to protect this 3-point lead. 27 seconds remaining. LPU crosses the timeline. CJ Alatica against Bonko. 17. They have a foul to give for Ateneo. Lopez gives it inside. Kicks it out. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds differential. John Barba. Turnaround jumper. LeBron Nieto. 2 seconds to go. But the ball will be stripped. And LPU will take home this victory.